Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to deploy your React application to GitHub using GitHub Pages. So let's start. At first, I will come to my VS Code and navigate inside the folder Coffee App, cd Coffee App. After that, I have to run this command npm run build to create the production build of this application. So npm run build. After creating the production build of the React application, we have to install GitHub Pages. For that, I will give this command npm install ghpages -- save dev, enter. After installing GitHub Pages, I will go to package.json. Inside package.json, after private true, give this field homepage. Under homepage, as you can see, I have given this URL https:// your GitHub username.github.io/your repo name. For this, I think you know we have to create a repository first in our GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, sign into your GitHub account and log into it to create a repository. So this is my GitHub account. I will come to repository section and click on new. Here I will give the name of the repository name Coffee App. I will keep this repo public and then I will click on create. Our repository is created. Now let's jump back to our VS Code. In place of GitHub username, I will give my username, which is Rijusri123. And in place of repo name, I will give this name Coffee App, which is my repo name. This will be the URL on which your GitHub application will be hosted. It might change according to your username and repo name. After that, under script section, you have to add these two fields, pre-deploy and deploy. So what this pre-deploy will do is, when we will run our application, it will create the production build of our application and then it will deploy our application using GitHub Pages, which we have just installed. So we have to just change this dist to build. So for pre-deploy, we will run this command npm run build, and for deploy, ghpages build. We don't have to use this command ourselves. It will be run automatically. After this, let's push our code to the GitHub repository. For that, at first we have to initialize our repo on local using git init. We have initialized our Git repository. After that, go to your GitHub repository and just copy these commands one by one. Git add readme. I will just copy and paste these commands one by one. Copy paste all these comments. Before committing, we have to add, so git add dot, this is not given there, so you have to do this explicitly. After that, after adding the git repo, you can commit it using git commit --m first commit. After committing, we have to change our branch to main, so git branch m main. After changing our branch to main, we have to connect our local repository to our remote repository. For that, we have to add this command git remote add origin our URL. After this, we have to push our code to the remote repository. So git push u origin main. Our code is pushed to the repository. So if I refresh this page, we can see our folder structure on GitHub repo. The last step is to deploy this application. For that, I will use the command npm run deploy. As you can see, our application is deployed and we are getting this message as published. So how we will access this URL? We have to go to our GitHub repo, go to settings, go to pages, and you can see your site is live on this URL. So I will click on visit site and you can see our application is deployed on registry123.github.io/coffee app, which is my repository name. So I have successfully deployed my React application to GitHub using GitHub Pages. So that's it for now. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, put your comments below, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.